Hello everyone, Wicklund Modeler 3D here. Today I forgot to show you how to apply background scenery, so this will be a really quick video. So in my last video I was showing you how sound scenery works, which if you reload Sapien and close out of it, it'll make the noise once you applied it. But anyway, we're going to go into showing you how to apply background sounds. So like I said in the previous video, so if you go to your cluster properties, go to your palette, and if you go to your sound environment and have all these set up, you're good to go in that part. But the part I didn't show you was to actually apply them, and this is what I mean by this. So basically these appear as like red grids like this. So I think, hold on a second. Okay, yeah, so for you it's going to be transparent. So when you're in a particular sound zone, it'll look like this. This is basically the portals that we made for this level. So in order to apply the background sound in the sound environment, you have to individually put within these columns of things that we put in our portals, we pretty much apply the sound environment to each and every one of those. So what we're going to do is make sure this is set to tutorial and then hit spacebar in the game window while your mouse is hovering over it. And you're going to do the same thing all across. So I'm not going to bore you guys to death with this. So pretty much this is how you apply background sound and as well as sound environments. So it's pretty simple. We're going to do the same thing for sound environment. You also want to make sure this is set for the bases as well. So you can have like a totally different like sound environment for this the bases as well. So basically what I did before is it has exact portals that go with it, so you can see this doesn't have sound environment into these. So I can add like a little base sound environment, but for this purpose we're going to just put the tutorial one in here. So we're going to put both of these in here for our background sound. So we got that, and all of it is done. So now for you, if you don't hear it, typically you have to restart Sapien and it will enable the sound. So what you do is you save it, and then you close out of it, run Sapien again, and then go to the test scenario here, and it will take a little bit to load. There we go. So as we can see here, we have our sound environment, if you can hear that. So pretty much you can hear that there is sound environment. And yeah, that's pretty much how you apply sound environments into Halo CE. It's pretty much the same for Halo 1 and 2 and 3 and the other Halos, but maybe done differently. So anyway, I apologize for not putting this in part 2. I just had a lot going on. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you do find this helpful, please give this a thumbs up. I would deeply appreciate it, as well as if you want to put any comments down below, I'll do my best to answer them. So this is Wicklund Modeler 3D, and I'm signing off. See you later, everyone.